Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to sign with HelloSign. It is actually pretty easy to do. As you can see here, we do have an upload option, or you can just go ahead and go to the top left and click on Sign Documents. All right, just click on it. Now it says here, you can go ahead and upload directly from your computer if you have downloaded the particular document, or you can go ahead and get it from Dropbox or Google Drive. Click on the three dots and you have three more options. All right, OneDrive, Evernote, or Box. Now, for example, I'm just going to go ahead and upload straight up from my computer. And if you want to as well, you can go ahead and drag and drop. Click on Upload, select the file. For example, this Excel file right here. I'm just going to hit on Open, wait for it to upload. And here you have it. Just go ahead and hit on Next. And it says here to enter the signer name. All right, I'm just going to go ahead and maybe add in my own name. And if you want to, you can go ahead and import from contacts, all right? Or click on I'm the only signer, okay? Continue as only signer, hit on confirm. Down here, you can just easily draw, all right? If you want to, go ahead over to signature. Now click on a blank space, maybe in here at the top right, I'm just gonna click on it. Now you can go ahead and draw, type, upload. If you have a PNG file of your signature, you can go ahead and do that. But for this example, I'm just going to draw a random signature like so and hit on insert. And as you can see here, you can go ahead and freely move it wherever you want. And once done, you can just go ahead and hit on next, download it directly to your computer or send it via email. All right. I'm just going to hit on download. It says here preparing to download. Just to wait for it. The download page will pop up. I'm going to save it on my desktop. I'm going to rename it as Signed. All right, hit on save. Let's view it. And there you have it. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.